2026, Venezuela experienced a rare seismic doublet, two powerful earthquakes occurring just 39 seconds apart. It is regarded as the country's deadliest earthquake since 1812. Key facts: date, June 24th, 2026. Country, Venezuela. Affected region, northern Venezuela, including Caracas, La Guaira, and Maracay. Magnitude, approximately 7.2 and 7.5, reported by different agencies in the 7.2 to 7.5 range. Time gap, only 39 seconds. Depth, shallow focus earthquake, increasing surface destruction. Type, strike-slip fault earthquake. Phenomenon, seismic doublet, a rare event where two major earthquakes occur almost consecutively on the same fault system. Why was it so destructive? Rare seismic doublet. First earthquake weakened structures. Second earthquake caused widespread collapse before people could evacuate. Shallow depth. Energy reached the Earth's surface rapidly, produced severe ground shaking. Dense urban population. Caracas and La Guaira contain many old and vulnerable buildings. Weak building standards. Many buildings were unable to withstand strong seismic forces. Tectonic background. Venezuela lies along the boundary between Caribbean Plate, South American Plate. Characteristics: transform, strike-slip, plate boundary. Horizontal movement produces frequent earthquakes. Major active faults include the San Sebastian Fault and related fault systems. Human impact. Government assessments indicate around 5,000 deaths, about 17,000 injured, nearly 18,000 people homeless, thousands of buildings destroyed. Critical infrastructure, roads, hospitals, and public utilities severely damaged. Economic impact. Estimated direct damage, about 19.6 billion US dollars. Reconstruction costs may exceed 50 billion US dollars. Major sectors affected: housing, transport, electricity, healthcare, local businesses, tourism, ports and logistics. Environmental impact: massive debris generation, dust pollution, risk of groundwater and coastal contamination, water shortages, increased risk of mosquito-borne and waterborne diseases, waste disposal challenges, coastal ecosystem degradation, health challenges following the earthquake, respiratory illnesses, diarrheal diseases, mosquito-borne diseases, mental health issues, disruption of vaccination programs, pressure on healthcare facilities, overcrowded relief camps. Role of technology. A major highlight was the use of the NASA ISRO-NISAR satellite, which detected ground displacement of up to 60 centimeters after the earthquake. Applications: damage mapping, measuring crustal deformation, identifying fault movement, supporting rescue planning, improving earthquake models.